Assalamualaikum to Dr. Nur'Ain Balqis. Today, we will cover a topic about zone of proximal development. There is 4 main points that we will cover in this presentation. The first one will be definition of ZPD. The second one will be stages of ZPD. The third one will be key factors of ZPD. And the last one will be potential challenge of scaffolding.
Hello there, this is Suhana speaking. Let's see first, what do we mean by ZPD? ZPD, or the long term is called the zone of proximal development, refers to a range of abilities an individual can perform with the guidance of an expert, where there are times when you cannot yet perform something on your own. This theory was developed by a psychologist named Lev Vygotsky. This learning theory may be observed in a classroom setting or anywhere else where an individual has the opportunity to develop new skills.
There is 3 stages of ZPD. The first one is tasks a learner cannot accomplish with assistance. The second one is tasks a learner can accomplish with assistance. And the last one is tasks a learner can accomplish without assistance. Tasks a learner cannot accomplish with assistance is the tasks that are outside of the learner's ZPD are those that are unable to be completed even with the help of an expert. If the task is not within the learner's ZPD, the expert may look to decrease the level of difficulty and find tasks that are more appropriate given the learner's skill level. And the task a learner can accomplish with assistance when a learner is close to mastering a skill set required to complete a task but still needs the guidance of an expert to do so. They are considered to be in their zone of proximal development. In this situation, an expert may use various techniques to help the learner better understand the concept and skills required to perform a task on their own. And the last one, learner is able to complete tasks independently and has mastered the skill set required to do so. The learner does not need the help of an expert. When a learner has reached this stage, the expert may increase the task difficulty level in order to find the learner next ZPD and encourage further learning.
So now, let's move on to the key factors of ZPD. There are 3 factors that we will discuss, and the first one is the more knowledgeable author. The more knowledgeable author is someone who has a high level of knowledge from the learner and is able to provide them with instruction during their learning process. This includes a parent, teacher, another adult, or even a peer. Next is scaffolding theory. When a child is in the ZPD, an expert provides them with appropriate assistance to help them accomplish a new task or skills. Thus, activities, instructions, tools, and resources that are used to aid in this learning process are known as scaffolding. Examples of scaffolding that educators may use include asking a student what they think should be done next, or if there are other ways the problem can be solved. And lastly, social interaction. For learning to take place, Vygotsky believes that social interaction between a more knowledgeable author and the learner was crucial. For instance, when kids are learning a new concept, social interaction between the adult, expert, and all of the children is initially crucial. But if some children grasp the concept while others are still in the ZPD, peer interaction may create the most conducive environment for learning.
So next, what is the potential challenges of scaffolding? So scaffolding can be incredibly helpful for students learning a new concept or skill if the teacher is unaware of each student's unique ZPD. These learning techniques may not be effective. And according to research, other difficulties educators may encounter include these few challenges, which is the first one, not having enough time or resources to understand each student's ZPD. Second, having too many students to properly understand each one's ever-changing ZPD. Third, not fully understanding the concept of ZPD or scaffolding. Fourth, struggling to maintain enough cognitive flexibility to carry out scaffolding. And the last one is not being organized enough to follow through with scaffolding. And that's all. Thank you.